with our first program, Sabha Vandanam. It's a traditional salutation performed at the beginning of a classical dance program to show respect to the audience, gurus, and the divine forces. It reflects the dancer's humility and gratitude and creates a respectful and auspicious atmosphere. Through graceful gestures and expressions, the artist seeks blessings for a successful performance and honors the sacred space of the stage. Please welcome our first piece of the evening by our wonderful performers here at the Mudra School of Dance.
Saraswati Namostute Sharade Vidyaprade Saraswati Namostute Sharade Vidyaprade Saraswati Namostute Sharade Vidyaprade Saraswati Namostute Sharade Vidyaprade Saraswati Namostute Karatrita Veena Pustake Karatrita Veena Pustake Karatrita Veena Pustake Varabani Malalam Krita Karatrita Veena